Okay, first video. I'm here at the Beto Street. That's our house. That one. From there to there. Okay. Now, this is part of our house. And Betty up to that point. Okay, look at the upstairs. There. Betty Street. No, this is there. Sand was delivered kanina. That's the sand delivered kanina. For palitada. Pa rin. Look. So I'm here now at CRM. Ako dito, malapit sa bahay ni Doc para makita mo yung view from this side so that you can see the view from this side. Okay, that's your house. This is along CRM. Okay, now I'm going inside. Look. That's the entrance gate. Okay. And this one is the garage. Currently, they are putting the Castellanes so that they can put the Kisame there in our garage. So, gate is ready for installation. But we have a problem in our hinges. Pinapapalitan ni Mario, so hindi ko pa napalitan. So that's the one part of the gate. Okay, so now I'm at the garage. Look, somebody's doing the palitada, the letter C there. Okay, there's another letter C. And they're doing the Castellanes. That one. Okay, I'm going to your lanay. I'm going to your lanay. Look, pinapalitadahan na yung wall na lanay. So that one, feel very maraming pang kalat dito eh. Kasi yun yung gagawin pang kisame. Yung mga kahoy na yan. Pinapalitadahan na yun. Okay. And from here, that's your balcony. Paki-close naman yung pintuan. I will show you the door at the lanay because it's been installed. So that's the design of your door. Okay. That's your toilet. That's our entrance going to our place. So that's the partition wall. That's the corner. Okay. I'll go to the entrance. Wait. the entrance. Wala pa rin booth there. So that's the entrance. Okay, this is the design of your main door.